their parents, teachers, stakeholders, ladies and gentlemen. Good day. Today, I want to share with you a journey that has been both challenging and incredibly rewarding. As a solo parent, I have learned that sometimes life gives us unexpected twists, but it is how we respond that truly matters. Zero income, infinite love is not just a phrase, it is a reality I live. It is about finding strength in the darkest moments and discovering that love is the greatest wealth of all. From juggling bills to bedtime stories, every day is a balancing act. But amidst the struggle, I have found joy in the simplest moments, a child's smile, a homemade meal, or a bedtime hug. Zero income refers to a situation where an individual or entity earns no money or financial gain over a specific period of time. It resulted in no taxable income or financial earnings that can impact financial instability and access to credit or government financial service. Zero income poses significant challenges but can be addressed through proactive measures and support systems. Infinite love is a boundless and conditional form of affection that transcends time and space. It is characterized by being unconditional, enduring, and universal, connecting all beings and aspects of life. It is often linked to spiritual traditions as a powerful source of healing and unity. In human relationship, infinite love can be felt through deep emotional connection, such as the love between family members or lifelong partners. Exploring infinite love encourages us to cultivate unity and compassion in our daily lives. Infinite love, whether viewed through a spiritual lens or a profound human emotion, inspired us to embrace deeper understanding of love's transformative power. For me, as a zero-income mother, my life is incredibly challenging without the monthly financial support from a job. This was especially true after my husband passed away, leaving me to face the world alone with our 3 children and no savings at all. The financial struggles were overwhelming. But my boundless love for my children gave me the strength to persevere through all the trials and hardships in life. There were times when it felt like giving up, but with unwavering faith and trust in God, I managed to overcome them. Today, I stand before you with pride and dignity, knowing that 2 of my children had completed their studies and found stable, well-paying jobs that not only support our essential needs, but also allow me to afford my heart medications. We can now enjoy a modestly luxurious life, which is a testament to the power of love and resilience. Zero income, infinite love is not just a saying, it is a genuine reality I have experienced firsthand. While zero income highlights the challenges of financial stability and limited access to resources, infinite love embodies the boundless capacity for care and support, demonstrating that true wealth lies not just in financial earnings, but in the conditional love and support we offer and receive. As a community, we can support each other in the ways that make a real difference, whether it is a listening ear, a helping hand, or a supportive word. We can be the safety net that solo parents need. Let us celebrate the resiliency of solo parent and the boundless love we share with our children. Thank you for listening to my story. Let us spread love and support wherever we can.